Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing one concrete input and enabling Power Automate access. Once done, create a new flow and add a trigger that supplies the text to analyze. Then, initialize a string variable to store that text. This keeps things predictable as you test. Use a compose action immediately to paste a simple regex expression and run it. This first action approach helps you verify pattern behavior quickly and establishes a repeatable test harness before more complex parsing. Now you construct the core. Use the Power Automate expressions like match or replace. Inside compose or condition actions, make sure to escape backslashes and special characters and create capturing groups for the data you want, for example, \D4 to grab years. Once you can extract a single match, pipe results into an apply to each to handle multiple items. As you build, add short test inputs so you can iterate fast and see why a pattern succeeds or fails in real time. Finish by storing parsed captures into variables or push them into a SharePoint list or email. This makes results actionable. Make sure to add compose steps to log intermediate outputs and use the flow run history to inspect what each action returned. If you hit mismatches, simplify your regex to a minimal working fragment and then reintroduce complexity stepwise. This isolates the cause. Finally, validate with multiple real inputs so you know the pattern is robust and not overfitted to one example.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.